Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming two essentials: Sketchup Pro installed and Google Earth Pro available. Open Google Earth Pro and locate the area. Zoom to the resolution you need. Once done, set Save Image options to include scale and legend off and pick the highest resolution. Next, export a KMZ of the place-marked area or save the image and note the coordinates. You do this because Sketchup needs either a geo-referenced image or a KMZ to align geometry precisely. Now switch to Sketchup. Choose File, Import, and pick the KMZ or saved image. If you imported a KMZ, Sketchup will bring in the image as a geo-referenced texture. Otherwise, place the image on a rectangular face and align manually. Once placed, use SketchUp's geolocation menu to add location or edit location so coordinates match Google Earth. Make sure to scale by a known distance, measure a road or building, then use scale to correct any discrepancy before modeling on. Finish by locking the image layer so you don't accidentally move it, and model using the textured ground as your base. Once complete, use File, Export, 3D Model and choose KMZ to view in Google Earth. This validates placement and context. If things go wrong, alignment, scale, or projection, stop and verify the original coordinates and the scale reference you used. Re-import the image, apply a precise scale using a measured distance, and re-geolocate. Doing that fixes most errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.